Hi loves, what is up? Welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for clicking on this video and joining me today. As you guys can see and as you guys can tell by the title, in today's video I'm bringing you guys another glueless lace front wig. I have done 2 other glueless lace wig videos on my channel, so I'll link them down below if you're interested. But as you guys can see in today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys a middle part bust down straight glueless lace front wig from Asteria hair. I'll have everything linked down below, but we are gonna go ahead and just jump right into it. The wig came to me in this like olive green colored box right here that has the Asteria hair logo on the front, and they sent over the wig and some goodies inside. They included some eyelashes, a wig melting band, some HD wig caps, as well as an edge brush. They also included a satin bag that you can store your wig in later or use it to travel with your wig. It takes up a lot less space than the box, and the material is nice on the hair as well. And then they sent over the wig, of course, which came in its own plastic bag, and it does have stickers to let you know it is a 22-inch HD lace, and I did get a cap size small. This is the wig with the hairnet on it. The hairline on this wig came very pre-plucked, ready to go. Look at the lace, and I also want to point out a lot of glueless lace wigs, these pre-cut ones that are being advertised everywhere right now, are like 4x4, 5x5. This is a 7x4 frontal, so you have a lot more parting space and lace in the front of the wig, but it's still laid so well. As you can see, it has combs on the inside, it has an adjustable insertable band, and then the perimeter and the back of the wig is all wefted, and it has kind of like a stretchy elastic band that is around the entire wig. This is the wig and lace right up against my hand. No makeup underneath, no anything, straight out the box. Look how thin that lace is, and how when I move my hand around, you can just see it up against the skin so well. It looks super natural. Again, I'm just showing you the box here and showing you the wig. You can hopefully see some of that cap construction. And literally, guys, I'm gonna go ahead and just apply some makeup to the inside of the lace. I usually just use some powder makeup and use a lighter one in the part, and then a little bit of a tanner one around the hairline, as you guys can see here. And again, this is me just holding the hair up. It has so much body and is so soft. I'm going ahead and literally just putting that elastic band over my head, tightening it so it's secure, flipping the wig over. And guys, obviously the wig is crooked and it's not like perfectly placed, but look at that hairline and that lace, and look how secure it looks to my head. It literally has no glue. Just put it on, and it literally is super secure from the band and the way that the wig cap is constructed. But guys, look how natural this is looking straight out of the box. This is pretty impressive. I went ahead and just adjusted the wig to where I wanted it to be placed, and then I am spraying some heat protectant on my edges. If you have a hot comb, that would be ideal and obviously work probably much better. However, I always just go ahead and take my curling wand and use this as like a hot comb. So I'm going ahead and just smoothing back the edges in the front of the hair. The hairline itself is pretty pre-plucked. However, just to give a more sleek effect, I wanted to go ahead and just really like lay the edges back. If you do this off your head, it would be a lot easier as well, because you could probably just like hold it in place on the wig head without burning yourself. And then I am going ahead and literally just taking big chunks and going over the hair with my straightener and straightening it a bit. This hair comes very straight and it really looked super natural out of the box, as you guys saw. I just wanted to style this wig a little bit and give like a really sleek middle part kind of bust down look. I usually don't even go for straight hair, as you guys may or may not know. So this is what it looks like on the side that I straightened, if you guys can tell the difference. The other side is the hair in its natural state. So you can see the hair was really straight off the bat, but just straightening it makes it look a lot more sleek and silky. Once I straightened it, I also felt like I had to go back in with the curling wand to just flatten everything out. And then I did leave like a tiny bit of my edges out, and normally I do baby hairs, but being that the hair was super straight, I went ahead and just straightened like my little sideburn edges there. So if I tuck the wig behind my ear, this is how it looks. Again, because you have that super deep parting space, it's not just a 4x4, you actually get 7 inches of parting space. Everybody's head shape is different, but on me, this wig falls almost ear to ear. There's just literally like an inch on each side of my hairline that my natural hair would be showing. So I really, really love that, because again, if you really wanted a sleek look and either you didn't want to straighten your hair, have any hair out at all, you can really get that, and you have enough room with the lace to be able to still put it behind your ear or move your hair around and have enough lace space to really look natural. Now, my absolute favorite thing about this wig, besides it being glueless and super easy to install, is this hair, guys. This hair has so much body, so much movement. It is so healthy feeling and looking, and you can literally run your fingers through it or throw the hair up to the side or flip the hair around, and it's still gonna fall back into place and fall so nicely, which I absolutely love. Again, I don't normally go for straight hair, but this right here is a very high quality, beautiful wig. The hair on this is absolutely stunning. And again, I really wanted to show you guys what the wig looks like straight out of the box, so you guys can know what to expect if you do go ahead and decide to try this wig out for yourself. And for 22 inches, guys, I feel like this hair is long on me. I am 5'3". This is it fully glueless, guys. Fully glueless. I am really impressed with this. This is like a wig that you can just have on go, wear this to work, have your hair in a protective style, or this be like your go-to throw-on wig if you're in between styles. Honestly, I absolutely love this wig. As you guys can see, the hair is full throughout, thick throughout, and like I said, it has so much body and movement and just looks super healthy. The texture is super silky soft, and straight out of the box, the hair was super straight and silky. But again, after going over it with the straightener and in big sections, this is what it was looking like. Because as you guys can see, the ends still have like some movement to them. They're not perfectly straight because I didn't go ahead with the straightener in small, precise sections. I just kind of wanted to give an overall sleeker look, and it was super easy to achieve. Let me know what you guys think. This is making me want to straighten my natural hair, honestly, to do a length check and see where I'm at with that. But shout out to Asteria hair. Again, this is a 22-inch glueless lace wig. I did get a cap size small, and this is HD lace, pre-plucked, ready to go. So definitely check it out. I'm obsessed with glueless lace wigs, guys. At the moment, I definitely don't think I'm going back to regular frontals ever or anytime soon. But yeah, let me know what you guys think. Here, I'm actually going ahead and customizing the wig a little bit because, like I said, I just was so obsessed with this hair after I tried it on that I was like, you know what? This is a glueless wig and it is meant to take on and off, but I want to rock this for a little bit. So I went ahead first and sectioned off 2 pieces where I created some baby hairs, and I curled those pieces up with my curling wand, and then I cut the hair down, as you guys can see. I'm just taking some mousse. You can obviously use like edge control or whatever you prefer, but I'm taking some mousse, and that worked for me, and I swooped those into place. And again, you can literally just leave it like this, but I wanted to leave this wig on for a couple days and just do like a quick, easy, temporary, but a little more permanent install. So I just sprayed some Ebon Wonder lace glue at the lace at the top, and I'm using my blow dryer to really set this into place. Again, I'm taking my curling wand to swoop the hair back and flatten those edges back a little bit before I put my wig band on, so that everything is set into place how I want it to look. And then I was gonna do like a full like wolf cut with layers, but I decided to just go ahead and add a couple sections of face framing, long kind of layers just around the front of the hair. And again, I just went over those pieces with my straightener one more time so everything felt nicely. I like to do this because if you have straight hair or even any texture in general and you push the hair behind your shoulders or to your back, it helps the hair to just fall so much more naturally. And then if you do curl the hair, add waves, it also just falls really nicely in my opinion. Guys, look at that lace. Literally, yes, I showed you guys what the wig looked like glueless, but this is literally what the wig looks like if you literally just melt it with some melting spray. I'm I'm just so happy with how this wig look, guys. Like, the fact that I did not bleach these knots, did not plug this hair, did not sit here and straighten every strand piece by piece with a comb and rake it through, and did not have to do a bald cap method or anything, really. I am just so happy. I cannot say enough good things about this wig. Go check it out. Be sure to follow me on Instagram so you guys can stay connected and see more of the wigs and hair that I try out even before I post on here. And I also have a separate Instagram page where I was reselling a lot of my wigs, so I probably will be starting to sell a lot of my old frontal wigs. If you guys are interested, I'll have that link down below as well. But definitely check out Asteria hair. I'm obsessed. If you don't want to try this texture, again, they have so many textures to try out, but I definitely recommend these glueless lace wigs, guys. Whether you're beginner friendly, starting out, want to try a wig out, just someone who doesn't want to put glue on their hair, or someone like me who does want to put a melting spray and use a melting spray for a secure hold, but just doesn't want to do all the work of like customizing the wig ahead of time, I definitely recommend these glueless, pre-plucked, ready to go, ready to wear wig. If you guys made it to the end of the video, I love you so much. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you on my next one. Mwah. Like a G.